Make a sound when you hear a faster player than Dembele. Lionel Messi.
Yeah, too fast.
Huh?
Didn't you?
Yeah.
No chance! Foden. Rashford.
Rashford, too fast. Yeah.
Oh my days. No way. Sane.
Too fast.
Ah, come on!
I see Sunny.
Okay. Vinicius Jr.
Too fast.
Kyle Walker.
Too fast. It's the best.
Done.
For me,
It's
the
done.
best.
Mbappe. Hey, he's the fastest here. We know it. Thank you, bro.